What's up, guys? Matco Michael just pulled up. We got a bunch of stuff ordered, so hopefully it came in today. So you guys come on, take a look, and let's see what Matco Michael has today. Man, always feels good in this truck. I can't believe that box is still here.
Well, I've had several people want it, but there's just certain requirements that they didn't meet.
Man, that's cheap. $25 a week.
I mean, it is with approved credit, so
Yeah.
that's wild.
It's a nice box. Tell everybody what happened to your light, Wally.
Started flashing on me. Let's see if you'll want to.
Brand new light.
Brand new, less than a month. Or right out of a month.
Rough on it, Wally.
It's when they invented warranties, ain't it?
Yeah. Michael didn't give you no grief about it, did you? He's like, no, he just, let's do it. Well, what new we got this week?
Oh, where do we start? Well, we do have the new colored ratchets.
Yeah.
The black ratchets.
Yeah.
Those are cool.
Got green, orange, and red.
With those American flags on them.
Yeah, they got an American flag, American made.
And a 40th on my head. Yeah, well.
You got another orange one?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, buddy.
I like them. They're the same ratchets, so.
Is these like special order or are they for sale?
They're for sale. I just didn't want to put them all up on the roof.
Turn that joker open, man. That looks good. I like that.
Yeah, I was kind of curious if it was going to be like a dull black or if it was going to be shiny. So it does look like it was. They still chromed it. It's just a black chrome.
Mm-hmm.
From what I've been told.
Pretty nice.
We're going to put it to the test. I want to see how long it takes that black to wear off.
They're telling me it shouldn't wear off.
Wally's snap-on is it's wore off.
It's starting to fade a little bit. It looked like an impact socket.
So that was my main question before I bought these was what's the procedure on the black? Because if it's like the sockets, you know, you take a lot of oil and stuff off of it, and it starts to try to rust a little bit. I didn't want that. They said no, that's not going to happen.
So those are about the perfect length ratchets right there too.
Well, in my top
There's overall
11,
yes.
somehow 11, but anyways, it was.
I think mine was about 11 too.
I noticed you've got a bunch of staple marks up there with nothing up there.
Well, I have put those up there a couple of times, and they've sold both times. So. Yeah.
Are you out of scrapers?
I'm out of scrapers today.
That's what I'm talking about, huh?
Yeah,
I'll tell you what, them things are fine, man.
I actually sold 2 at one stop, so.
There's the red.
So I've been told that the red's going to be added, definitely. The red's going to be a new color. It's not maroon, so that's a good thing.
That is a good thing.
I like that red.
I do too. So there's
I've
all
always
three
liked the green and the orange, but it was time for another color, in my opinion.
Yep.
So now you've got pink and red too now. Which the pink's 11 pounds.
That's a good looking combo right there. I like it.
So I found this. I've got them ordered, but I haven't got them in. Talking about the scrapers, here's another set of carbide scrapers. And which they're green, which Bill used to like.
Yeah.
But I'm thinking about ordering. I got them ordered, but I'm wanting to try them out and see if they're any.
Well, if you need some testers, we are professional scrapers around here.
Professional scraper.
Yep, we have to scrape up pennies every week to pay you.
Yeah, that's new, but no, that's not new by no means. But I've had a lot of people like it just for the fact that it's waterproof.
Waterproof. Don't tell him that now. He'll be putting in a bucket.
When I say waterproof, they actually took it on the video that they show us, and they drive it into a pond, and then it floats, and they drive it back off the pond.
How much is this thing?
Wally will have that thing in the bathtub with him.
I got a bigger boat now.
I'll have to look it up to see the price on it. But yeah. If I can find that video, I'll send it to you.
Well, what about my paint creeper? Did it come in?
Paint creeper hasn't come in yet. Let me check on it. I did get your t-shirts. This is yours. This is yours.
Oh, looky there.
These are yours. Let me look and see what else we got.
Yeah, look how long that one is. Look at that. Look at that, Wally. Look how long that bad boy is.
Wow.
There's gotta be something else. Let's see.
Walking too, that's nice.
Yeah. What about the, did you get any of those lights in? The pink lights? The rechargeable ones?
I haven't yet. I think the creeper and the lights sold a lot quicker than what they thought. I think it was like kind of an instant.
Mm-hmm. Well, that creeper's cool. I see you got the new thermal imaging camera.
I do, and that thing, I have played with it. That thing is awesome. So I never really thought about checking a misfire with the thermal imaging, but they've actually got a known good and known bad saved in that. A couple of different things, known good. That way you can compare. But yeah, they took it and they hit a known bad coil, and it shows the heat difference. And that was pretty cool.
Well, I know on a diesel truck you can shoot the exhaust manifold. If you got a bad injector, it'll show right up.
I've always done like heated seats. If there was a complaint with a customer about heated seats, and it's like, how, I mean, other than feeling it, how are you really going to know? I've always used that and showed them. And when you tell them, hey, yeah, you've got something wrong, you can actually show them the coil where it stops. I've done it on exhaust. I've even did it on the brakes like they show there. But as far as like, they've got it for like air leaks, because you can see the different temperature there. They've got it on wiring issues, which I think that's cool, especially like on the relays and stuff like that. You can actually see it temping up, because you know some of the problems with relays is they get hot and stop working. You can actually sit there and watch it get hot, and it allows you to take a picture of it. So that's just cool itself, because there's no more, well, I'm telling you what's happening is the relay's getting hot. And I don't believe you. Well, here, look. Here's this relay compared to the others.
Right.
And then, I've never did the tire wear. I'm sure there's a reason to do it with tire wear, but I just normally look and say, oh yeah. I've never thought about doing tires.
Yeah, there's where it's talking about the relay and the uneven tire wear.
Yeah. But it has in it, the one for the, well, we'll just open it up. Okay.
That's cool right there. What is that thing usually running?
I think it's around 1,000. I'm not just real positively sure on that, but I'll look.
That's nice. All right, I got a guy that works on a lot of really cool vehicles. I sent you that one picture that time.
Yeah.
He does Ferraris, Lamborghinis, that kind of stuff. He wanted to know on the Matco scanner, do they support that?
What have I saw on there?
Like the only way we get to see a Ferrari or Lamborghini is at the Hot Wheels section at Walmart. But he's fortunate enough to get to work on them. So
you know, I don't know, because I'm like you. I don't get to work on it. I've never looked for it. I think I saw some higher names. I'll look and shoot you a text message. I'm not sure on that, and I don't want to tell him yet. And not.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, none of my customers get that luxury of working on those. So that's never.
Well, we work on those Hot Wheels. That, you know, we keep the little paper clip axles in stock. We keep all of that in stock. Wally's the man on Hot Wheel axle repair. Now, he is terrible. We always have to wash them before we give them back to the customer, because they're covered in grease. And sometimes he wrecks them, but we can usually fix it.
The good thing about the Ratchet is he won't be able to tell it on the handle.
That's right. Bills usually has to detail the Hot Wheels after Wally works on them. Yep. 2 tub of towels per car.
And they're only this big.
Yeah.
Be like that one we had in from a used car lot the other day.
What you done got? Uh-oh.
Yeah, you can borrow this anytime you need it.
Well, let me tell you a secret. Open that thing up.
But Wally,
Because Wally's going to lose your cap like he did mine.
Wally can keep his hand off of it.
You won't have that cap, I promise you, once Wally uses it. Because we still ain't found my cap yet.
Yeah.
Who traded this piece of junk in?
Wait, what?
Who traded this piece of junk in? I'm not one to really bash another product, but you can look on my Snap-ons, don't buy these tools, they're junk. And that one made the list, right there.
They, I kind of hate to say it, but I didn't really take that in on the trade.
They probably give it to you because it wasn't worth the crap.
They put it on the truck, try to sell it yourself. I didn't want it. I don't usually turn down a trade-in, but just all the talk, I took one in on trade and it took me,
They're terrible.
I ended up giving it away cheaper than I sold it, or cheaper than I bought it for.
That's what I was
That's a little bit
So
smaller
on
than
this
mine.
thing in the database, it looks like they have misfire, catalytic converter, pulleys and bearings, trans fluid, thermostats, glow plug, that's known good and bads. And then they have battery cables, heated seats, heated mirrors, alternator charging, never really thought about that. Stuck on relay, window seal, high resistance connector, that's kind of cool, never thought about doing that either. Evap solenoid, Whopper motors, high resistance circuit, starter motor, solenoid. What else they got? They got dragging calipers, misalignment, HVAC. They got blower motor, condenser, blend doors, heater core, rear heater performance. That's your known good and bad.
Right.
I'm actually gonna leave this with you and let you play with it.
Sweet.
So you can see what it does.
You got to put that disclaimer down here. It goes right here. Not for Wally.
Well, I'm gonna give it to you, and that's up to you to.
It'd take us 6 weeks to clean grease off that if Wally used
That
it.
is kind of cool that you.
If we can find it.
Yeah, if you could find it.
Wally, they're picking on you again.
Yeah, man.
That one guy commented on here, Wally's like Pigpen from Charlie Brown.
I got tickled on that one now. I got tickled.
I have called him Pigpen a few times around here.
Yeah.
I have a dust cloud around my head.
Well, if the shoe fits, I'm not saying you gotta wear it. If the shoe fits.
Oh, Wally
Sure.
wears it well, too.
Yeah.
He laces
Proud
that
of it.
bad boy up tight every morning. So you're looking at the index and pry bar.
Yes.
And Bill's going to be the wiring man today, looks like.
I'm gonna have to call them on your creeper because it's not showing to be back ordered.
Oh, shit. Do I need to call him for you?
No, it's not showing back ordered. It's not showing back ordered. It's showing ordered on the 10th. So it.
What about that little light?
It looks like it's ordered at the same time. It looks like it all should have been here. I'll call them and see what's going on.
Hey, you ain't got another one of them Bluetooth speakers, do you?
No, I ain't got one in yet.
What's the price on those?
On what?
The Bluetooth speaker. Me and Wally was arguing about it yesterday.
I think I sold the all for $89. I think. Tax and all. What was Wally's price?
He can't remember.
The bill is
Bill said it was over $100.
Yeah,
I was saying it was
what?
it was like $100. Wally was like, oh, I think it was like $40 or $50.
I thought it was a lot less than that. 90.
He ain't gonna buy you a pink t-shirt today.
Oh, man. Debate.
So you got something against breast cancer?
Save the top
Find
times.
out extra.
Mm-hmm. I hope you never see another set the rest of your life.
Oh, don't you dare put that on me.
What about you, Bill?
That's just wrong.
If he got an extra large, I'd get one.
There
What's
you go.
that?
Breast cancer
Breast
t-shirt.
cancer shirt.
I'll look and see what I got.
Dang, Wally. I hope you're boobless from now on. You don't want to help save the Tatas. You shouldn't ever get to see another set. Not even in the movies. I hope they automatically come out with the black squares around them.
This is going to be a new tool as well. helping and stuff.
I seen a video on those.
Did you?
It's cool. Yeah.
I haven't opened them up. I think I saw a similar video, but
Joe showed them on Instagram. When things would spring back. That's pretty cool.
yeah. Joe beat me to the new tool. That's all right.
They're like a 13-year-old boy. You can push it down, it'll flip right back up on you. Don't act like you wasn't 13 at one time. That's back when it still functioned properly.
Shoot, it still functions properly.
Well, he still thinks he's 13 years old.
Just let go of it.
That's nice.
Yeah.
How do they do that?
I'm guessing they got a spring in there. So it's called spring loaded.
Do they make them for impact?
Hey,
Not yet.
hold on just a minute. Open your hands up like this. Look at that. Have y'all ever seen Wally's hands that clean before? You can tell this first thing in the morning.
I hadn't had the first grease.
Only thing you've held is a Dr. Pepper. Ain't touched any tools yet.
Well, I got some of those back here too if you got out of it. But yeah, that's
got one.
That's pretty cool.
So what do those run? I'm assuming it's a half, 3/8 and a quarter.
Yeah. Let me look and see.
That's pretty cool. Wally acts like he didn't know what I was talking about. Talking about being young like that.
Oh, yeah.
The wind just had to blow right, didn't it? That's all it took.
Nowadays.
They run around $90.
$90. That ain't bad.
Yeah. Now, that's the sale price that I got on. Any price I say on here, it could be different in a different
Right.
area because we got different. They send out the flyers. The flyer that we have in our region may be different in a different region. So if you go on a different truck, they're higher. It's because they don't have that sale yet.
There you go. Simple enough. How much do these run?
I think it's like 30 for all three.
Oh, it's a set
It's
then.
a set of 3.
Those are pretty cool. I was thinking about getting some of them and putting it in that bag for this weekend.
So what questions do we have? We had that dude, Lamborghini.
Yeah, Lamborghini, Ferrari, and
There was something else I needed to check on for y'all.
he worked on. I think it was Maseratis. I mean,
Yeah.
some high dollar. Like, I put it this way: his clients ain't tipping him no $5 bill.
Well,
So he gets him long wheelbase 10s probably.
What's that?
You know, the one that's got the extra zero at the end.
I've never seen one of them.
Michael will show you one. He's the only one that's
Yeah.
probably got any on here.
right. Right.
Them 3-digit bills.
I've never seen one.
Yeah, they make them. I've seen them in magazines.
Seen them in magazines.
I thought they were fake in the movies.
Yeah, they look
They
fake.
probably are fake.
Oh man, well you got some goodies this week.
Yeah, as you can see, my order section.
Got a big old pile up there today.
There was something else I wanted to show you, but I can't remember what it was. We'll have it next week.
Maybe that creeper and that light will come down next week.
I'm gonna call him and I'll text you as soon as we. Is that?
Yeah, the lady I got this for, this is hers here. She beat breast cancer, and then she found out her mom had it. So that's gonna be pretty cool for them. But anyway, like always, guys, if y'all want one of those super awesome, you'll never be able to pull this look off. So if that's what you're going for, it ain't gonna happen, you know. But we may try to come up with some Wally masks for Halloween.
Oh, Lord.
If you want one of these cool Diesel-matic shirts, it'll be greasy. So, if you want a cool Diesel-matic t-shirt, there's a link down in the description. Yours will be clean, not like Wally's.
You get a greasy Diesel-matic t-shirt.
And there's some cool tools and discount codes. Like always, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button. Now what we gotta do, Wally?
Get back to work.
What you got of them breast cancer shirts?
That's what I got.
I didn't forget. Tell everybody why you wearing your vest, Wally.
So I don't lose it?
Looks like I got 2X
Uh-oh.
Try 2X on? Hey, they sell quick, man.
No tatas for you.